Good evening, everyone. It's currently 10:59 in the evening. I'm recording this for Shane's channel, which is God of YouTube. My name's Michael. I have my own channel, Michael YTD, if you want to go and check it out. I'm going to show you how to get live desktop wallpapers on your computer, just like Shane has on his. So this is something that Windows 10 and above allows you to do. If you do want to try this, this is the best way to do it. Okay, so you will need this app here. It's called Lively Wallpaper, and you can download it from the Windows Store, which is this one right here. I'll open it up so you can see it. Windows Store is either on your taskbar or in Start, and go to All Apps all the way down, and it'll be near W. There it is. Oh, sorry, Microsoft Store M. So yeah, it will be in there. Just search Lively Wallpaper, which is right here, and then you can change your wallpapers. Okay, so they have these first two aren't included. These are ones that we've added. These ones, so these and this bottom row are already on there. If you want to use those, you can. If you want to upload your own, you find a good 4K video, 1920 by 1080 video. Add wallpaper, find it on your file, or just drag and drop it, and you can even do YouTube links if you wanted to try that, and then it will show up right here. So if I flip this over onto another screen, so you can see Shane's is currently the fish. I can set it to a very different one, which makes me and Shane feel seasick, so we don't use that one very often. There's loads of others. It comes with the default ones, so there's a whatever that is, and then there's also this one. I actually rather like this one. It's just that they've mucked up the clock right here. Shane's got two screens on his computer. That's what I'm currently using. So it's sort of sitting right in the middle here, right in front of all of his software and other stuff that he's got on his computer. And then they've got just basic ones like this. That would annoy the holy hell out of me. Dancing jellyfish? I don't know what that means. Let's try that one. Okay, so he literally just sits where the clock would be, which is outstanding. And then this one. Okay, that's a bit boring, I'm not going to lie. And then my favourite one. I do like this one. I'm going to have to put this on my computer. But it's the Matrix. I actually like that one. That was Shane's phone. He should put that on mute, really, but he doesn't. But that's okay. That's how it is sometimes. People do forget. Let's see. And there's also this one. I don't know what this one is. What on earth is this? Righty-ho. Anyway, we'll move on. And then Shane's added, obviously, this one that he has set automatically. And this one. I don't like that one. That one's a little bit too close. We haven't figured out how to twiggle the settings yet. But there's loads of settings. So if I bring this back over here, there's loads of settings you can go through on here. That you know, you can play around with this yourself. But this is what Shane's got it set at. It can do rules, remote desktop. If you do have remote desktop enabled and you do allow people to access your computer remotely, you can get the computer and the screensaver to react differently. Wallpaper. So desktop picture is turned off. We use uniform fill because that fills the entire screen because we're using dual monitors. Video players, you can change all of this. If you understand some of this, you'll be able to change it. It's not rocket science, it really isn't. And then something else Shane has done, you see down here how his taskbar is completely invisible apart from the icons. That is something you can do right here in System and change it to clear, off, however you want it. So if we turn it off, that's how his taskbar is set by Windows. You can set it to blur, and that literally just blurs across the bottom. You can set it to fluent. I don't know what that does. It's literally just a blur. Wallpaper. Also, the fish literally just fade through it. Okay, and then wallpaper fluent. What is that? Okay, that's just another blur. But Shane has it set to clear. I do rather like that, to be fair. We'll be putting a load more videos out. Shane's just done a whole load of recording of Grand Theft Auto that needs to be edited now, so that's my next job. If you do like the content on this channel, please do be sure to hit the like, subscribe and share the videos. Make sure you tell all your friends that Shane's on YouTube and show him to his channel. And we will see you in the next one. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll be back very soon with yet another video.